What if I told you that two little words are pretty much the start button for your entire life? That every single day you're using this incredibly powerful command that shapes your reality, and you probably don't even realize you're doing it.
No, really, just stop and think about that for a second. Could it actually be that the phrase "I am" is the most powerful creative tool you have? Well, the answer might surprise you, but it is a huge, resounding yes.
And here's the thing. Most of us are using this power completely on autopilot. We say stuff like, I am so tired, or I am always stressed out. And we're accidentally programming our reality to just give us more of that. We're literally building lives we don't want, one accidental thought at a time.
But that all stops today. I want you to think of this session as your new instruction manual. It's a super simple guide to taking back the pen, to stop being just some character in your story, and to finally become the author, intentionally designing the life you actually want to live.
So you ready to play? Here's our game plan for today. We're going to walk through each level of what I call the creation game, and I'll give you all the tools and maybe even a few cheat codes you need to become a master player.
Okay, first up, the creation game itself. Let's just get a handle on the basic controls, because honestly, this is the foundation that makes everything else work.
Okay, so imagine your mind is like this crazy advanced 3D printer. It can create anything you can imagine. Well, the words "I am" are the start button on that printer. Whatever you say right after is the blueprint you're sending to be printed out into your physical world. It's like the cosmic enter key that turns a thought into a thing.
And here's the thing you got to remember. The universe doesn't judge your commands. Not at all. If you say, "I am a failure," it doesn't try to talk you out of it. It just says, "Command received," and starts bringing you the experience of failure. It takes every single thing you declare after "I am" as a literal instruction.
All right, let's move on to level 1. I call this the magic remote. Just imagine your life has an infinite number of TV channels, right? There's the confident channel, the anxious channel, the wealthy channel. Well, your "I am" statement is the remote control you use to choose which channel you're going to watch.
Now, this is the critical mistake almost everyone makes. We use the word want, but the magic remote, it doesn't have a want button. Saying "I want to be happy" just keeps you on the channel of wanting, which by its very definition means you don't have it. But saying "I am happy," that claims it. It changes the channel right now in this moment.
But here's a little pro tip for you. Your physical world is like a giant cruise ship. When you change direction, it doesn't just instantly appear in a new location. It takes time to make that turn. So you might declare "I am prosperous," but you still see bills piling up. That's just the old scenery from the old channel. You have to stay on the new channel and just trust that the ship is turning.
Okay, so we've selected our channel. Awesome. Welcome to level 2, the Lego Architect. Now we get to learn how to actually build the reality we want to see on that screen, brick by brick.
The building process is really just this simple 3-step formula. Every "I am" statement is a Lego brick. So 1, you declare it, that's choosing your brick. 2, you repeat it to stack those bricks with real conviction. And 3, you trust the process, letting that foundation set, even when you can't see the whole castle just yet.
Always remember this. Your "I am" declaration is the permanent blueprint for your life. Your current feelings, your bank account, your relationships, all of that, that's just the weather. And a master builder doesn't throw out the blueprint just because it starts to rain, right? Stick to the blueprint.
So, we have the remote, and we have the Legos, but what's the electricity? What's the thing that powers this whole game? Well, that brings us to level 3, the secret ingredient, the ultimate power-up.
You can say the words perfectly. You can repeat them 1,000 times a day. But without this one thing, they're just empty air. They have no power.
The secret ingredient is feeling. See, the universe doesn't really speak English or Spanish or any other language we have. It speaks the language of vibration, of pure emotion. You absolutely have to feel the reality of your wish before you see it. This is what I call the mirror rule. You don't stand in front of a mirror and wait for your reflection to smile first, right? No. You have to smile, and then the reflection has no choice but to copy you. A great way to practice this is with your inner movie theater. Right before bed, just play a 10-second movie in your head of your wish fulfilled, and really, truly feel the joy and relief.
It's time for level 4, our final level of gameplay. Guard your garden. Now that you're planting all these beautiful new flowers, we have to learn how to play defense and protect them from the weeds of doubt and negativity.
And here's your #1 defensive tool, the cancel rule. The second you catch yourself thinking or saying, I am so clumsy, you immediately say, cancel in your head, and then you replace it, I am graceful and coordinated. It's literally the undo button for your reality.
And be on the lookout for these really common weeds. Don't accept negative labels from other people. Don't justify your negative states with the word because. That just gives your power away. And be super careful during small talk. Don't bond with people by complaining and planting I am stressed weeds in your garden just to fit in.
Okay, we've covered the entire game. So let's slow down for a second and bring this all together into what I call your daily adventure. A super simple mission you can start the moment this is over. Here is your daily mission, your first quest. First, in the morning, name your day. For example, today, I am productive. Second, throughout the day, your job is to be the gatekeeper. Use that cancel rule every single time a weed tries to sneak past. And finally, before you fall asleep, just spend 10 seconds in your inner movie theater, feeling what it's like to have your I am be a solid, undeniable fact.
And that's it. The game is simple, the rules are clear, and the power, it's been in your hands this entire time. You are the architect, you are the gardener, you are holding the magic remote. So, the only question left is, what will you create